Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for all the electric vehicle drivers out there who use Waze for navigation. I'll be walking you through the simple steps to enable electric vehicle features inside the Waze app on your phone. This is a great way to get electric vehicles specific routing and find nearby charging stations easily. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu, tap on the Settings option. Now, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Vehicle Details. This is where Waze stores your vehicle information. After that, tap on Electric Vehicles. In this section, you'll see an option to turn on electric vehicle features. Simply toggle it on to activate electric vehicles' specific tools, such as finding compatible charging stations and optimized routes. Finally, once electric vehicle mode is turned on, Waze will use your electric vehicle's settings to give you smarter and more efficient directions, tailored to your car's needs. That's it. You've successfully enabled electric vehicle features in the Waze app. Thanks for watching.